Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 18th, 2026, and we're diving into Palo Alto Networks' fiscal second quarter 2026 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Palo Alto Networks, a leader in cybersecurity, has just released their Q2 2026 earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to strategic acquisitions.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Palo Alto Networks reported a total revenue of $2.6 billion for the fiscal second quarter, marking a 15% increase year over year. John, what does this tell us about the company's performance?
This revenue growth is a strong indicator of Palo Alto Networks' robust market position and effective sales strategy. The company has managed to increase its revenue significantly, which is a testament to its expanding customer base and the growing demand for cybersecurity solutions.
And what about profitability? How did they fare in terms of net income and earnings per share?
The company reported a GAAP net income of $432 million, translating to $0.61 per diluted share. However, on a non-GAAP basis, the adjusted earnings per share came in at $1.03, which is a substantial improvement from the previous year and well above the analyst's forecast of 49 cents.
Strategic initiatives and acquisitions. John, Palo Alto Networks has been making strategic moves with acquisitions and focusing on next-generation security. Can you elaborate on these initiatives?
Absolutely. The company reported a 33% year-over-year growth in its next-generation security annual recurring revenue, reaching $6.3 billion. This growth is driven by their focus on AI-driven security solutions, which are becoming increasingly critical in today's digital landscape. The acquisitions of Chronosphere and CyberArk are strategic moves to bolster their capabilities and expand their market reach.
What did the leadership have to say about these developments?
Nikesh Arora, the CEO, highlighted the strong adoption of AI security and the company's commitment to modernizing cybersecurity stacks. He expressed excitement about the potential growth these acquisitions could bring, emphasizing the long-term trend of AI in security.
Financial outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what guidance has Palo Alto Networks provided for the upcoming quarter and the full fiscal year?
For the fiscal third quarter, the company expects revenue between $2.941 billion and $2.945 billion, with an adjusted EPS ranging from 78 to 80 cents. For the full fiscal year 2026, they anticipate revenue between $11.28 billion and $11.31 billion, and an adjusted EPS of $3.65 to $3.70. This guidance reflects their confidence in continued growth and operational efficiency.
How does this guidance align with market expectations?
The guidance is quite optimistic and aligns well with market expectations, indicating strong growth prospects and effective cost management strategies.
Key takeaways. In summary, Palo Alto Networks has delivered a strong performance in Q2 2026 with impressive revenue growth and profitability. Their strategic focus on AI-driven security and recent acquisitions position them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
Palo Alto Networks is clearly on a growth trajectory, with strong financials and strategic initiatives that are likely to drive long-term success. Investors should keep an eye on their continued expansion in the cybersecurity space.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Palo Alto Networks' performance in the comments below.